Hi guys, okay, so I am about to get some serious studying done, but before I do that, I just want to make this quick video to help you guys along when you get there, or if you're there already, or you're getting ready to go there with your lab days, and that is the days that you practice your skills. Okay, so number one, you want to make sure that you are using your lab time wisely. Some tips: stay away from the chatter, stay away from the chit chat, take note of the classmates who like to talk a lot and not get things done. Those are the people that you stay away from. You see people that are serious about their skills and they're practicing and helping one another, that is the group that you want to migrate over to. Stay away from the chatter and don't get drawn in by it, because your precious time is being eaten up by unnecessary chatter. Another thing is, when you are in, my computer's doing some craziness. When you are in lab and you have a question pertaining to a skill, I don't care what question it is, how serious, how minor, you go ask your teacher to get the right answer. Do not ask your classmates. I repeat, do not ask your classmates, because there was one situation where I know I was doing something right because the teacher told me herself how to do it, and one of my classmates tried to tell me that it was wrong. And guys, the sister and me wanted to come out. She wanted to fight, but I said no. Kindly said, nope, this is the way we're supposed to do it. And I wasn't going to go back and forth. I said, you know what, let's go get the teacher. So I went and got the teacher. Show me the correct way, please, to do this. And she showed me, and it was the exact same way that I did it, because I take issue when someone tells me I'm doing something wrong when I know I'm doing it right. So if you know that you're doing something right and someone is pointing it out that you're doing something wrong, even if you are doing something wrong, go and get the teacher to confirm the right way to do it, because you do not want to take the advice, the suggestions, the opinions of your classmates and it is wrong. You want to do the right thing the 100% of the time. So go get the teacher and let her come to the group. Little mannequin, you have like 4 people, maybe 5 people to a mannequin. Let her come and show everyone, so that everyone can have the correct answer, so it won't be a lot of he say she say back and forth, because we're all sharing information and we don't want to share the wrong information, because everybody in the class is going to pass. That is what we are going to make sure is going to happen, because for 2 years we're a family and I don't want my classmate to fail. So make sure you give the right information, get the right information from your teacher, let everybody hear it so everyone can do it the right way. Also, if you have the time, go to those extra lab days that they have open lab hours, and get your practice in. Less people, you get to do it one-on-one with the mannequin, and less distractions. The more practice, the better you're going to get at it, the more confidence you're going to build toward that skill. And one more thing, if you're practicing a skill, and order is not important, write out a script of what you're going to say once you enter the patient's room. Introduce yourself. Hi, my name is, close the door for privacy, perform hand hygiene. May I see your armband to verify your name and date of birth, please? Script it out, because the more you say these things, the more you're going to remember, because it's going to be second nature to you. And you apply the necessary skill. Apply the skill, different skills. You have to go through the same introduction, then you apply the skill and make sure that you have checked off every little box in your skills check-off list pertaining to that skill. And if order is not important, you do it the way that is comfortable for you, so that you can remember, because some of these skills have a lot of steps and you need to remember not to forget anything. You need to remember to ask certain questions. So do that for yourself, and before you even get to the lab, the night before, review the skill, look at the checklist, start making out your script or however you're going to do it. I find doing the script is so much better because now I have something to refer to instead of trying to think of what to say every time. This is what I'm going to say each and every time, and that's just how it's going to be forever. So that I don't, unless, you know, I have to change it up because of certain circumstances, but this is what it's going to be. And just save yourself the frustration. And I think that is it, guys. So if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, and I will get back to you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.